Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to set up and use Ynab for finances and budgeting. So just open any of your web browser and type out ynab.com and click on the start your free trial. Now right here, type out your email and your password. And if you don't have an account yet, you can also create one using your Google account. So here, I'm just going to use my Google account and click on continue after that. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and it will be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so here just going to finish setting up our dashboard. So first thing first, here just have to input your name. And then how did you hear about Ynab? So I'm just going to select YouTube and what brings you to Ynab today. So here can get out of your debts, simplify my finances, create more breathing room or others. Okay, after that just click on continue. Okay, that's right. And who's in your household? So if you're just single, just click on myself and click on continue after that. And tell us about your home. So if you're a renter, click on I rent. And do you currently have any debt? So currently we don't have any debt. And how do you get around? So we have a public transit for this one and click on continue. And which of these do you regularly spend your money on? So of course, groceries, TV or smartphone, internet, personal care, clothing. Click on continue. Now, which of these subscription do you have? You have music, TV streaming, and click on others if you have other subscription. Now click on continue. And what larger, less frequent expenses do you need to prepare for? Okay, so you just have to select or none of this apply to me and click on continue. And what goals, large or small, do you want to prioritize? So trip vacations, it's up to you. So new home, click on continue after that. In here you can also add some fun. So what else do you want to include in your plans? Of course, dining out. Click on finish. Now your categories are being built. So this is now your categories right here. Okay, so if you want to create more category, just click on create new category. So this is step 1 out of 3. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the bills, the needs, the wants, and others. So if you want to create more category, just click on add category. So now let's set our target. So click on create target for your rent. So I need maybe $100. Okay, that's right. So just click on save target. So you can need more $100 by the 31st. So you can choose weekly, monthly, or yearly. So it's up to you. For the utilities, so let's keep this part. And for the TV, phone, and internet, maybe I need $50 for this one. I'm going to choose monthly and click on save target. Next, insurance. So here, how much do you need for your insurance? So click on create target for that. Now for music, so yeah, I love music, so I'm subscribed to Spotify. So I need maybe $10 for this one. Okay, that's monthly as well. And for TV streaming, so currently I'm subscribed to different TV streaming platforms. So yeah, let's set a $4 for monthly. Okay, now for our needs, of course, groceries. This is one of the very important things. So I'm going to create a target for $70. Okay, for the transportation, that's right. For weekly, we have $40. That's right. For personal care, so maybe just $30 for this one. So right here, you can see if how much do you need by the end of this month. Okay, so for the clothing, maybe $90. And for our wants, for dining out, for maybe let's do this just once a month or twice a month. So let's just choose monthly. So I'm going to prepare $60 for this one. And for shopping, so maybe I'm just going to skip this one for now, since we are budgeting. But if you want to proceed with shopping, you can also set this maybe $100 would be enough. Okay, for travel, maybe $800. Oh, that's very expensive if you're going to do this one monthly. And for your new home, so maybe you're going to skip this part for now. And of course, for Ynab subscription and stuff I forgot to plan for. So here, just going to continue and proceed to step number 2. So now we can start working with real numbers. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to add our account right here. So just click on the add account option at the top. Okay, and then you just have to search your financial institution right here using the search bar. So let us try to search for BPI. So if your financial institution is available, so you just have to click on it. Then after that, you just have to connect your account. Okay, and then the balance of your account will appear at the top, so you can see if how much and how you can budget your money. So again, in order for you to connect your account, you can also click on this add account option at the left side and then just search your financial institution. Okay, so for example, we are going to create a new category. So just click on this category group, so you can create a new one. Maybe I am going to type out right here random day. Okay, and click on OK. You go on a jogging in the morning and then buy some snacks after. And if you are using Ynab, you would first make sure you already have money set aside in your health or fitness. Okay, so for the category, jogging related stuff like running gear, and maybe in your food or snacks category for small treats. So when you buy snacks, you record it in Ynab under the snacks category, and the app shows how much you have left for the month. So this way, you're not just guessing, you always know where your money is going, even for small things like snacks after jogging. So with the help of the Ynab, let's say last month, you spent too much on online shopping and eating out, and you notice your savings did not grow, and even you had used your money from other budget categories just to cover it. So with the Ynab, you can look back and see where you overspent. For the new month, you can plan better by setting smaller limits for shopping and dining out, and move more money in your savings and essentials like food or bills. So you just have to tell yourself, this month I'll cook more at home and only buy what I really need. So Ynab helps you stick to that plan by showing your limits in real time, so you can make better choices and feel more in control of your money. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.